guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. So today I am here again with another video. As I have shared last time that I bought smoked pork from Delhi, I'm going to show you this. These are the pork. So guys, if you want to buy smoked pork, I will share the phone number in the description box, but only if you are staying in Delhi NCR. We will start our cooking. I'm measuring from this cup. First we'll boil the water. We'll cover it and we'll let it boil. I've add much water because by this water only I'm going to wash the pork. I'm cutting it in a medium size. Okay guys, let's see. Okay, the water is boiled properly, so with this water I'm going to wash the smoked pork. Be very careful guys, it's very hot. So I will cover it and I will keep it aside for some time. By the time I will add the ingredients here. Few green chilies. I'm using 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Oh, pulai nahi sakta. Remove the eye of the tomatoes. Small size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 potatoes. You can cut any size you want because after it's cooked properly, I'm going to remove it and I'm going to burn it. Add salt for taste. It's up to your taste how much you want to add the salt. This is garlic. I'm going to pound it. Just crush it a bit, you don't need to make a good paste. We'll cover this and let's check our smoked pork. Clean properly. If you want, you can give it a second wash also. So I'm going to put the pork here in the vessel. and you should at least cook like half an hour. Then the pork, it will cook very nicely. So guys, after half an hour we will see. Okay guys, let's check our pork curry. Oof. I'm going to poke this one. Oh, see, it's going inside, so it shows that the pork is cooked properly. Now I'm going to remove all the chilies and the tomatoes. So that's it. I'm going to put it back. Now I'll be removing the potatoes. Here I remove all the potatoes. I'm going to put it. While pounding it, if you feel that the potatoes are too dry and you have not pounded it nicely, then you can add the hot water here. I will not put it back, I will keep it aside. First, I will add the spring onion, but not the leaves. The leaves will cook easily, so first I will add this. Okay. Like 1 minute I will let it cook. Okay, we'll cut this spring onion. Let's check the curry. I'm going to put it back. If you want, like you can add maida slurry also. It will make the gravy more thicker, but I'm not adding. It's optional. It's not like the way we make. Let me check the salt. एकदम ठीक ठाक আছে It's almost 1 minute. Now here goes the last ingredient. After adding the spring on it, you don't need to cook it off the flame. So guys, that's all for today. And now I'm going to try this smoked pork recipe. This is in our style. After so many months, I'm going to have smoked pork. Okay guys, I'm going to try this. Let's see how is it. All cook हुई है. See, this is the skin. When you're cooking pork, you should cook it very nicely. See this fats. Oh my god. Let me tell you one truth. After 8 months I am having smoked pork. Can you believe that? No. But that's the truth. Oh. Well guys, while the camera is rolling, I cannot eat freely. So that's all for today. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up, and those who have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe it. And thank you so much for watching. I'm going to enjoy it.